Are you tired of hunting for a drill press that can handle intricate woodworking without breaking the bank? Don't worry, you're in the right place, because we're about to dive into the best drill presses that deliver precision, power, and real value. From precision spindle speeds to rock-solid stability on busy workbenches, this video has you covered. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press for woodworking that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the VEVOR Benchtop Drill Press. Opening the box reveals a compact silhouette and sturdy feel that communicate focused practicality for hobbyists and budget-conscious woodworkers seeking reliable, low-maintenance operation. Not industrial grade, the unit handles light to moderate woodworking tasks with confident alignment and repeatable results that satisfy hobbyists' daily needs. Not industrial grade, the unit handles light to moderate woodworking tasks with confident alignment and repeatable results that satisfy hobbyists' daily needs. The drill press feels solid thanks to a compact cast iron frame and robust steel components that minimize vibration during drilling. With a compact footprint, it fits on small benches while offering a stable base and a practical worktable for precise drilling. An adjustable table, a smoothly functioning quill, and a reversible spindle guard demonstrate thoughtful design choices that balance versatility with straightforward operation. Despite its small size, the table tilts slightly to accommodate angled holes, and the spindle offers generous travel, enabling deeper drilling without reclamping the workpiece. The motor delivers steady torque with multiple speed settings, smoothly transitioning between low and high ranges to suit different drill bit materials and material densities. A built-in depth stop and scale allow repeatable hole depths, reducing errors in projects that require consistent dowel holes or mortises. The spindle quill travel is designed to accept standard bits up to a modest diameter, ensuring compatibility with common wood bits you already own. Sturdy cast iron table with modular inserts and a simple miter gauge adds to repeatability during accurate corner drilling and pocket mortises. In practical cuts, the machine maintained consistent quill alignment, produced clean holes without chatter, and demonstrated reliable stop accuracy during multiple drill passes. During extended tests, the drill press remained cool and quiet relative to budget models, with manageable vibration and a predictable response to feed pressure. Portability and setup are straightforward. Assembly took under 20 minutes, with clear labeling and simple alignment steps for first-time users. Compared to a popular floor-standing model from a different brand, this benchtop unit offers a notably smaller footprint and easier portability, albeit with lighter duty capacity. The pros include solid build quality, compact footprint, and strong value for budget buyers. The cons include limited drilling capacity for heavy tasks and a modest worktable that constrains large workpieces. At number 4, we have the generic floor drill press. From the moment you unbox it, the machine exudes a straightforward, no-nonsense presence that appeals to hobbyists seeking reliable, entry-level woodworking performance. Its target audience includes DIY builders and small shops prioritizing affordability without sacrificing essential drill press capabilities for versatile projects and practical woodworking tasks. The chassis presents a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated finish and thoughtful cable management that reduces snags during aggressive material clamping. Feet-friendly base design hides vibration well on typical shop benches, while overall dimensions balance stability with enough clearance for large workpieces. Weight and balance suggest service life potential, though the plastic knobs and switch housings hint at lower-cost components susceptible to wear. The spindle runs at a fixed speed, with a modest 500 to 1100 revolutions per minute range that suffices for wood without heavy metal tasks. The quill travel is limited, but adequate for most cabinetry and hobby projects, with coarse rack and pinion adjustment delivering reliable, repeatable placements. A generous fence, adjustable laser guide, and depth stop are implemented with intuitive alignment marks to minimize setup time and maximize precise drilling alignment. In practical tests, the drill press delivered clean holes on soft woods with minimal glaze and maintained accuracy across repeated cycles at moderate feed pressure. During more challenging tasks like hardwoods, vibration increases but remains within tolerable levels for finishing passes and measured drill bit exits. Overall value proves compelling for beginners and small shops, delivering predictable results and easy maintenance under typical workshop conditions with reasonable noise and dust control. Compared to the EliteCraft Pro drill press, the generic floor drill press saves costs but sacrifices mid-range speed versatility and additional stability. The pros include affordable price, solid base stability, and straightforward adjustment mechanisms. The cons include limited speed range and a comparatively heavy base. At number 3, we have the NovelLife 795. From the moment you unbox this model, the NovelLife 795 communicates purpose, appealing to woodworkers who value stability, precision, and a compact workshop footprint. Its target audience includes hobbyists upgrading from handheld drills and small shop professionals who require dependable accuracy without occupying a cramped bench space. The overall package feels sturdy and thoughtfully packaged, with a robust cast iron table, smooth operation, and a minimal setup time that respects busy schedules. The design embraces a compact bench profile without sacrificing table work surface, delivering a 9x9-inch table with precise alignments for consistent drilling. A vertical adjustment assists with fine height changes, while the laser alignment system aids precise drilling alignment, reducing punch-through errors on delicate workpieces. The design also integrates ergonomic controls and a smoothly rotating feed handle, which reduces operator fatigue during longer sessions and improves repeatability. A variable speed control allows the spindle to adapt across soft woods and hardwoods, while the integrated chuck provides quick bit changes for efficient workflow. The spindle travels smoothly within a 3-inch range, enabling shallow pilot holes or deeper bores with stable feed pressure. The dust collection port integrates with standard shop vacs, keeping work surfaces cleaner during long sessions. In a real-world drill task, the 795 maintains steady RPM under light to moderate loads, minimizing chatter and producing clean, accurate holes. We tested with hardwoods like maple and beech, noting predictable bit deflection management and consistent depths when paired with sharp bits. Compared to a budget bench drill, the noise and vibration were reduced by a noticeable margin thanks to balanced motor mounting and thoughtful casing. When placed against the NovaCraft 712, the NovelLife 795 shows superior table stability and smoother quill action despite similar horsepower ratings. The pros include sturdy cast iron frame, precise spindle alignment, and smooth variable speed control. The cons include higher price and heavier weight compared to budget models. At number 2, we have the Laser Ray Benchtop Drill Press. From unboxing to setup, this compact benchtop drill press instantly signals a hobbyist-friendly option tailored for small shops and discerning woodworkers seeking reliable precision. It appeals to DIYers who crave accuracy without the expense or footprint of full-size industrial machines. Setup is straightforward for those with basic shop skills, and the included manuals clarify alignment and bit changes without confusion. The Laser Ray integrates a robust cast iron base and a precision column that provides stable support during high-torque drilling. Its overall footprint fits typical benchtops, yet its compact profile leaves comfortable space for material handling and clamping. The dimensions are generous in height and stroke, enabling deeper holes without compromising stability, while the table adjusts for tilt and height. The satin finish resists minor rust and fingerprints, while the user-friendly depth stop and feed lever operate with smooth, repeatable precision. A powerful quill travels with a low runout indicator, and the variable speed control accommodates different drill bit materials and diameters. The spindle sleeve is precision machined to maintain concentricity under load, which translates into cleaner holes and less wobble during aggressive feeds. An integrated laser alignment aid provides on contact line sights for accurate hole placement, reducing trial and error and scrap material. During tests, the machine maintained consistent speed under moderate load, delivering smooth feeds with minimal chatter and preserving drill bit integrity over multiple passes. Cut quality was excellent on soft woods and respectable on hardwoods, benefiting from the sturdy base that dampened vibration and allowed precise nudges. Ease of use and quick bit changes reduced setup time significantly, making it a practical upgrade for small shops needing reliable, repeatable holes. In direct comparison with the X-Boat Beltless Drill Master, the Laser Ray Benchtop offers quieter operation and truer quill return under load. The pros include solid cast iron base stability, accurate depth stop system, and versatile speed range for various materials. The cons include higher price than budget models and heavier weight for portable setups. At number 1, we have the LAKIX B10. From the moment you unbox it, the LAKIX B10 conveys a purpose built for woodworking enthusiasts who demand precise drilling with minimal setup. It clearly targets hobbyists and small shop builders who need dependable accuracy for dowel holes, mortises, and precise alignment features during repeated tasks. The cast iron table tilts smoothly and locks securely, offering a stable platform that reduces chatter when drilling through hardwood. Its compact footprint fits into a typical 24 by 24-inch benchtop, yet the travel and throw feel substantial for big projects. Despite its sturdy mass, the B10 balances well on a bench with a low center of gravity that helps minimize vibration. The drill chuck accepts standard 1/2-inch bits, and features a keyless grip for rapid bit changes in the middle of a project. A built-in depth stop and scale provide repeatable hold depths, reducing guesswork when stacking multiple pieces for consistent results. An integrated LED guide light illuminates the work area, making delicate drilling operations safer and more precise in dim workshops. During extended drilling sessions, the motor maintains steady speed under load, with minimal heat buildup that would otherwise slow you down. In hardwood like maple or oak, the B10 drills clean holes with a level of accuracy that surprised our test team. The feed lever offers a smooth, progressive touch, allowing micro-adjustments without over-rotating and risking wallowed edges on small workpieces. Compared to a popular entry-level drill press like the WEN 42114, the LAKIX B10 offers crisper depth stops and better table rigidity. The pros include strong build, precise depth stop, and stable table. The cons include higher price and compact motor power.